Hi, I'm Danny Ecker with the Chicago Business Today Midday Report. 4 years after the financial crisis thwarted a deal to privatize Midway Airport, it appears Mayor Emanuel is preparing to put it on the market again. This time he's likely looking for a lease much shorter than the 99-year deal pitched in 2008 and with more restrictions to avoid a situation similar to the city's controversial parking meter deal. Of course, a shorter lease could also be a turnoff for potential investors. And for more, I'm joined via Skype by Crain's Washington Bureau Chief Paul Marion. Paul, let's recap first. What made the last attempt at doing this fall through?
Well, Danny, the deal was put together in the fall of 2008, $2.5 billion to privatize Midway for 99 years. And that was just about the time that Lehman Brothers was collapsing. But by the time it came to close the deal in early 2009, the financial markets were frozen up, and the investors could not borrow the additional money they needed to close the deal. And finally, the city pulled the plug and got a kill fee of $126 million.
Yeah, obviously the economy was a big factor, but the structure of that deal was one that Mayor Emanuel would have frowned upon anyway, right?
Well, back then it was sort of the height of the market for airport deals in other parts of the world, and 99 years was a long lease, but that maximized the value of Midway to an investor. So it meant that the city was able to get a lot more money than it otherwise would have.
Yeah, so as it stands now, does it appear the value of selling off Midway's management would be worth it for the city?
Well, that's the big question. The market for airport deals has come down, and the financial markets are still not fully recovered. So I think investors are not likely to come up with the same kind of terms as they did before. So to the extent that it's less, it's going to be a question of whether it's worth the political cost and the risks involved with giving up the ability to run the airport itself. So it's really a matter of testing the market to see what the market can offer.
Okay, Paul, thanks for the time.
Okay.